guy back around it was 1633 at 83 to the Dodge's 1697. We lost tragically in an automobile accident about 3 weeks ago. I have a feeling that his son Tommy did the driving around the right lane. Chevrolet at 1297 100. Dan Hankins. This one underneath that. Here on the left lane. Yeah, we get numbers. Go to the right lane. Left lane to 1471 versus 1589 side.
Get him, truck!
That's my dad.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
In the truck?
Yeah.
All right.
You're gonna win, ain't you? Lanes 5 and 6, the bye run should be a bye with Smokey Joe Smith at the tree. We're going into street eliminator. Here's the late Tom Etheridge's car with his son Tommy Newton driving in the right lane. Allen slightly at the tree. Allen takes the win with a 10th over 13:35. Dustin. Prater wins it handily with a 13:45. We need you back in the lanes. That's bikes to the lanes. The bye run, the second round, should there be an odd number of bikes? Bike 1681, that's David Lane. Right, 69, Pontiac. And Roger Glover, driving the Camaro. The other end, Secky's on the brakes, takes the win with one of the famous 396 Super. Looks like he's already caught up with the lead pickup. Other end is going to be Sergeant with 1393, 1548. Chuck Cope in the 1955 Chevrolet Royal. 55 moves to the second round. Here's Reese Majors in the 67 Chevrolet Chevelle 327. We're up against Danny Free in the 7 and 8, 5 and 6. Remember there, Smokey Joe's IROC. Motorcycle we need you in lane number 1, and the left lane wins out for the third. Jimmy Davis in the Stealth van, the slowest car on the grounds, maybe the slowest car in North Georgia at this moment. At least it's got a motor in it that runs. The left lane is Tom Trueluck in the Pontiac. Now Tom has got to wait 11 seconds and 74 hundredths. Couldn't do it. So Tom red lights it away, and it's going to be Davis with a 23.92. That's more like Hello Super Sport. He's done rather well for himself this season, well up in the points. Bob Fletcher, the 67 Mustang. With a 13.27 for the win.